All right, we're gonna learn how to use Google Drive in the quickest, easiest way possible. This is my drive that you're looking at right here. This is all of my documents that I've done through Google saved into one space. That is essentially what Drive is. And if you wanted to make a new one, I'll go ahead and go over what Docs, Sheets, and Slides are real quick. Docs is what you see right here. This is essentially Word. So we'll go ahead and take a look. Yeah. See, it's essentially Word, and Google Spreadsheet, which is the next one in line, is a table or spreadsheet that is good for marketing and business majors. Here's presentations. This is the PowerPoint of the entire module. And then there's a couple more in here. Forums and draw and stuff. Yeah. So Google Forms. These are essentially like a how would you put it? A questionnaire, I guess you could do. A good way to track a questionnaire, and you can email it to everybody. You can get a good sense of what everybody's thinking in your group. And then Google Drawings is exactly what it sounds like. It's the Google version of Paint. So if you want to draw a picture and send it and attach it to a group so they can look at it, that'll work too. That is Google Drive.